Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see chapter 2 Polynomials Introduction. So, first we need to know what is a polynomial. So, poly means many and nomials means terms. So, polynomial means it is an equation having many terms. For example, 2x square plus 3x plus 4 is a polynomial. So this is a term and 3x is a term and 4 is a term. So a polynomial can be written as p of x is equal to the highest power in a polynomial, that is the highest power of x in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Say for example, in the given equation the highest degree is 2, then the degree of the polynomial is 2. So there are different types of polynomial. First one, we will see what is a linear polynomial. So linear polynomial is that the x value, that is the degree of x will be 1. Highest degree of x will be 1. Say for example 4x plus 3. This is a linear polynomial since the degree of x is 1. That is highest degree of x should be 1. Then that polynomial is called a linear polynomial. So quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial is that the highest degree of x will be 2. 2x square plus 3x plus 4. This is a quadratic polynomial since the highest degree of x is 2. We have x here also, but we have to check with the highest power. Cubic polynomial. The cubic polynomial is that the value of x, that is the highest degree of x will be 3. 4x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 2. So this is a example for cubic polynomial since the highest degree of x is 3. So next we are going to learn about the zero of a polynomial. So we can say a zero of a polynomial as, so we know that p of x is a polynomial. And k be a real number. So when we substitute this value of k in place of x such that x is equal to k, then it can be denoted as p of k. So when it is called as a zero of a polynomial is when p of k is equal to 0. So that is, we can see an example. I have a polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, and they have given a number p of minus 1, that is x is equal to minus 1. Now in place of x I am going to substitute minus 1, that is minus 1 the whole square minus 3 into minus 1 minus 4. So when I solve this, that is minus 1 the whole square is 1, minus into minus plus 3 minus 4. So I will get 4 minus 4, which is 0. That is my p of k value is 0. Now I am going to substitute another number, that is p of 4. This is an example given in your textbook. They have given the value of x as minus 1 and 4. So 4 square minus 3 into 4 minus 4. So when we solve this, we will have 4 square is 16 minus 3 into 4 12 minus 4. So I will have 16 minus 16, which is 0. So I have x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 4. And these are called the zero of the polynomial. And these are called the zeros of the polynomial. In general, we can say the real number k is called zero of the polynomial p of x if p of k is equal to 0. So the real number k, here it is minus 1 and 4. These are called zero of the polynomial p of x if p of k, that is p of minus 1 and p of 4 are zeros. We are getting 0 when I substitute minus 1 in place of x and 4 in place of x. I get the value as 0. Then minus 1 and 4 are called zero of the quadratic polynomial. So next is we are going to see the graph part. That is, for any quadratic polynomial which is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, then the graph of that corresponding polynomial, that is, we can write it as p of x is equal to or y equal to ax square plus bx plus c. It will have two shapes, either upwards like this and downwards like this, depending upon the values of a, that is when a is greater than 0 and a is less than 0. So these curves are called parabolas. So when we check with this parabolas, when we draw according to the equation in the graph, we will see that the zeros what we got when solving p of x will the same zeros will be intersecting on the x-axis. That is, it will be of the form like this. So the point that it intersects on the x-axis in the previous sum, that is, in the previous sum we had x square minus 3x minus 4. P of x is equal to x square minus 3x minus 4, and we have got these zeros for this polynomial as minus 1 and 4, and this minus 1 0 and 4 comma 0 will definitely intersect, that is minus 1 and 4 will definitely intersect at the x-axis. So when a graph is given and if they ask to find the zeros of that polynomial, then we have to check with the point of intersection at the x-axis and find the zeros. And this is the introduction part of the exercise 1.1, and the next video we will be covering the exercise. Thank you.